welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video, we are going to be doing a quick DIY lash cluster tutorial and also how I enhance my makeup look. I did my makeup today and I wanted to add a little dazzle razzle, so I did some DIY cluster. So if you are someone who's a beginner in eyelash extensions or DIY clusters, then this is the perfect video for you. Before we get started though, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, but let's not do too much talking and let's get into the video.
Just out here praising God, looking fly, you know, regular day. No pressure, look how God done bless you. Come on. Wonder why I'm feeling extra.
Y'all, I ate down with this makeup look. It looks so good, but like I said, I do want to enhance it, and today we're going to be using You Look Lash Kit to enhance this makeup look and add some lashes. Here is everything you guys are going to need. You're going to need the lashes, of course. You're going to need the lash glue and sealant. And lastly, you're going to need tweezers. I did use a lash fan during this video, which you may or may not need depending on your preference. It's actually my first time using it, but it's not something that you need to apply lash clusters. But you are going to see me use it while applying these lashes. So with the lash glue, you're going to apply a generous amount on the lashes, but we're going to make sure that we are focused on the base of the lashes because that's where you want your lash clusters to hold. That's where you want the longevity to be. And here I am using that fan to dry down the lash glue just to make it tacky faster because it does take about like 30 seconds to a minute for the glue to get tacky, but it does depend on how much glue you apply. Now, because I knew I was going to have lashes, I didn't put any eyeliner on because I want my lash line to be clean. I want it to be nice. I didn't want to put makeup around that area because I wanted these lashes to last. And if you have makeup or oil or any debris around your lash line, that's gonna make the lashes not last as long. Of course, y'all know lash clusters don't really last as long, but they can last quite some time. Like I've had lashes last me 3 to 5 days, sometimes pushing on a week. And I knew I wanted this lash to last me a couple of days, so I did not put any makeup. And I also just don't want to have any buildup on my lash line or on my lashes. That is a big no-no. So if you are going to apply lash clusters, make sure that your lashes are clean, okay? For this lash map, I'm aiming for a soft cat eye. I am going a little bit longer, but I do want to have somewhat of a cat eye effect. Honestly, this is kind of like a doll eye mixed with a cat eye. I did go a little bit longer in the center, but I did bring it down towards my inner corner. This is the lash map on the screen if you want to try it. I like using this lash map when I want a more dramatic look, whether it's for an event or if I'm going out or if I just want to be dolled up. My everyday lash look is different from this, like completely different from this. I do go a little bit shorter and I do aim for more of a doll eye look. I'm going to put the video for my everyday lash look in the description down below if you want something a little bit more natural. Eye looks, I really like this look, y'all. It's not even funny. Like, I thought this look ate, okay? I love the look that lashes gives. It never fails. If you are going to have a face full of makeup, get your lashes done, okay? Because it just always makes it look 100 times better. Don't get me wrong, the mascara does this thing, but lashes just do it better, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't, go ahead and do it right now. I'll wait. All right, y'all. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you when the sun rises. Bye.